A bold move by Rochester Public Utilities, RPU, has sparked a debate among solar enthusiasts and those considering a transition to renewable energy. The introduction of a new monthly fee for solar panel owners has left many questioning the viability of their investment. Evin Lantz, an early adopter of solar technology, installed a 9.2 kilowatt solar array in 2023 to power his electric vehicle. However, a recent notice from RPU informing him of an additional $22 monthly charge has left him reevaluating his decision. Lantz estimates that this fee, amounting to approximately 26% of his energy savings, significantly reduces the potential for recouping investment of nearly $27,000. And here's where it gets controversial. RPU's general manager, Tim McCollough, explains that the new grid access fee was approved in 2024 to ensure that the costs associated with solar connections are not borne by other customers. He emphasizes that the fee is designed to maintain a fair and sustainable energy system for all. It's about ensuring that those without solar panels don't subsidize the costs for those with solar arrays, McCollough said. We want to encourage clean energy adoption, but it must be done in a way that is equitable for everyone. And this is the part most people miss. While the fee aims to cover the utility's expenses, it also raises concerns about the flexibility and fairness of the system. Lantz argues that not all solar arrays are created equal, and a flat rate doesn't account for variations in energy production based on factors like roof orientation and shading. The reality is that not every home is optimally positioned for solar panels. We need a more nuanced approach that considers the unique circumstances of each installation, Lantz said. The debate extends beyond Rochester as similar discussions are unfolding across the country. With the federal solar tax credit set to expire at the end of 2023 and many states grappling with the challenges of integrating renewable energy into their grids, the future of solar adoption hangs in the balance. So, is solar still worth it? That's the million-dollar question. While the benefits of clean energy and reduced carbon emissions are undeniable, the financial viability of solar panels is now more complex than ever. As the energy landscape evolves, it's crucial for policymakers, utilities, and consumers to engage in open dialogue and find solutions that promote a sustainable and equitable energy future. What's your take on this? Do you think the new fees are fair, or do they discourage solar adoption? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's spark a constructive conversation about the future of renewable energy.